Hello everyone. Today we are discussing two of the most common terms used in the stock market. So let us start with the topic. So we are discussing today what is the difference between bull market and bear market. It's bear market. So let us start with it. Bull market is a market whenever we expect that the price of the security is going high and it will continue to rise over the period of time or for a stretched period of time. सो बेसिकली बुल मार्केट का मतलब क्या होता है? जब हमें लगता है कि मार्केट में शेयर्स का प्राइस या सिक्योरिटीज का प्राइस जो है वो हाई है और इट विल कंटिन्यू टू इंक्रीज, ये बढ़ता जाएगा कुछ और समय तक, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? बुल मार्केट. तो बुल मार्केट बेसिकली कौन सी अप्रोच को फॉलो करता है? दैट इज ऑप्टिमिस्टिक अप्रोच. सो यू कैन सी बुल मार्केट मीन्स व्हेन द मार्केट इज अप, prices of the securities are expected to rise for a stretched period of time. It is used to describe an economic environment that is growing and optimistic. बेसिकली जहां पर हमें एक होपफुलनेस लगती है कि प्राइस और बढ़ेगा, so that is a part of bull market. अब इसके की इंडिकेटर्स क्या होते हैं? Whenever the stock prices are going up, rising stock prices, high GDP and low unemployment rate, these are the few key indicators of bull market. So in opposite of this, there is a bear market. In bear market, basically there is a pessimistic approach. Pessimistic approach means it is opposite of bull market. That is, the investor is selling the securities. Why? Because the prices of the securities are falling, and there is lots of news around that the share price will continue to fall. So basically, in this, investor generally they sell their securities. एंड ऑन दी अदर हैंड, अगर आप इसको और दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव से देखेंगे, सो इट बेसिकली मीन्स दैट द इन्वेस्टर, न्यू इन्वेस्टर हैज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बाय द सिक्योरिटीज, क्योंकि प्राइसेस स्टॉक मार्केट में गिर रहे हैं. सो देयर इज एन एक्सपेक्टेशन कि न्यू इन्वेस्टर्स शेयर्स को बाय करेंगे. सो what is bear market? It is characterized by falling prices along with a lot of pessimism around. It is opposite of bull market. If the trend is downward, it is bear market. In a bear market, investors generally sell their securities and it provides an opportunity to buy for another long term. For basically the investor who wants to enter in the stock market, so that situation is for him to buy the securities. Now, this picture very much explains why it is called a bull and a bear market, because we always know कि bull के जो horns होते हैं that are right up and the bear always paws or swipes downward. So अगर bear होगा तो it would be downward and अगर bull होगा तो it is right high. So see, a bull always thrusts his horns up into the air while a bear swipes its paws downwards. Or in a nutshell, or in a nutshell or a conclusion, we can say that bull market is where there is lot of optimism in the market and investor keep buying the shares as if there is no tomorrow, because हमें लगता है bull market में कि prices high हैं लेकिन ये और बढ़ेंगे, तो investors keep on buying the securities. Similarly, bear market में investor sell the securities but new investor has an opportunity to basically buy the shares. So see, in case of bear market, investors stay on the sideline waiting for the markets to turn around. Both the scenarios are good for long-term investors, because long-term investments के purpose से अगर bull market अगर we are analyzing, so it means the prices will continue to rise and we can make capital gains. And in case of bear scenario, the stock prices are going down, new investors will come, they will buy the shares and they will hold for long term, and so that is known as bull and bear market. So this is what about bull and bear market. Thank you so much.